One of the first men that I ever coached completely changed his life. I'm so proud of him, and I mean completely. When we first started dealing with each other, he was totally broken, overweight, depressed, emotionally destroyed, confused, no direction. He was barely hanging on, no confidence. His marriage was over. I helped him realize that. The woman he cared about so much cheated, lied, humiliated, the whole nine. This man was broken. But honestly, a lot of us just stay there. A lot of men don't recover from that because that is so hard, man. You drink, isolate, they gain a lot of weight. They stop giving a shit. They become bitter. All that. Angry. They slowly disappear from who they were, but this guy did not. He just decided one day, I'm done. I ain't dying like this. I'm not going out this way. Little by little, it took us a year. Everything changed. He went to AA. He went to the gym. He kept going. Changed his diet, and the weight fell off. His confidence slowly came back. Then his relationship with his kids, who were in their teens, got stronger. He had changed their mind. He had changed his own life. And then he stopped begging for love from people who disrespected him. And then something freaking nuts happened. Everyone started to notice his changes, because when you start rebuilding, people notice. They go, wow, what's up, dude? And eventually, he met a really good woman. After his marriage was over, he had peace, health, healthy relationship, and for the first time in decades, he actually looked happy. Here's where the story gets interesting and takes a drastic left turn. Around that time, the ex-wife that cheated on him, the one that treated him like shit, disposed of him, disrespected him, suddenly started noticing. Now she wants him back in her life. She starts to notice the man he became. She notices the discipline, the confidence, the relationship with his kids, because they still had joint custody. Noticed his stability. And I need every man, especially men and women, I need you to understand one thing that is very important. You better be ready for that shit. Be ready for what's next when you change your life, because things change. Sometimes the people who broke you, they come back quietly once you're healed. And if you're not careful, you'll romanticize the past. You'll start remembering all the good stuff, the comfort, the history, the familiarity, there's the word. And suddenly forget the nights you couldn't sleep, the anxiety, the disrespect, the betrayal, the humiliation. You remember your wedding day, the day your kids were born. You forget the damage. You start telling yourself, this is maybe it's different. Could be. Probably not. That's why accountability super duper matters. Because growth is not just losing weight. Growth is not just making more money. Growth is not just finding confidence, although that's part of it. But real growth means you stop abandoning yourself. Real growth means you stop crawling back to situations that nearly destroyed you. So important to hear that. Please listen. I'm not telling this man what to do. It is not my job as an accountability coach. That's his life. He can do whatever he wants. His choice. But here's what I told him. Please don't forget what it took to rebuild yourself, the effort. Don't forget the pain that forced you to change. Please don't sacrifice your peace just because someone suddenly wants access to the new version of you. Because the old version paid for this new life with everything. Pain, pain, pain. Don't forget that. But the question that you have to answer is this. Are you moving forward? Are you about to walk back to the same fire of hell that nearly killed you in the first place? Starting over ain't easy, gentlemen and women, but we're doing it. If you're starting over like me, please hit the subscribe button, follow along, type I'm in if you're doing this too. Appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.